Good morning to all. In this video, let us discuss something about God and human being. The God and human being are related in a simple equation called as God is equal to human being minus impurities, which means human is equal to God plus impurities. It says that each and every human being has a God within themselves. To realize one's God within themselves is the purpose of yoga or all any type of yogic practice is concerned in our tradition. Then you wanted to know what is the meaning of these three impurities. The first impurity is nothing but ego. Second one is called as karma. The third one is called as maya or illusion. Once these three impurities becomes zero, then every human being becomes a God. It looks very simple to understand that God is equal to human being when ego, karma and maya are equal to zero. But in practice, it is not so easy for each and every one of us to leave our ego and also the maya and karma. So we will discuss what is these three impurities one by one so that we will understand more about these impurities. Ego. Ego means a person thinks that he is the only good person in this world. That is called as ego. Not only good person, for any particular aspect is concerned, he thinks that he is the best in it. For example, he is doing a mathematics very well, and he thinks that he is the only person in the class can do the mathematics very good. All others are not at all doing the mathematics properly, which means that he is comparing himself with others and he thinks that he is superior to all others. So the superiority is there with so many people and thinking that they are in the higher position, but actually each and every one of us have some talent and each and every one of us are superior or good at particular thing, but at the same time all others are also having the same or different kind of qualities in them, and they are also doing excellent things in their own field of study or field of work or extra. So when I say I am good, it is okay. When I say I am the only good person, then it is not okay for others. So no need to compare ourselves with others and say that we are something better than others. Once you have this kind of mentality, then you think that you are something from so special and others are not so. So this kind of mindset will not help you to grow further because you understand that you think that you are the best, so there is nothing new to learn. But normally there are so many things are there in this world, and what we have learned is very very minor small things only. So those who are having ego will not learn anything in their life, and also they think others are like fools, and they will not have a cordial relationship with others. The others are also not interested to talk to this kind of egoic persons. In our olden movies, you can see lot of asuras are there. They are thinking that they are like a superpower. So they do meditation or all those things, but they don't practice the basic yamas and niyamas. The yamas and niyamas are nothing but do's and don'ts in their life. So without doing this yamas and niyamas, they do meditation and they get a lot of things from the God, like a lot of superpowers they are getting from the God, and then finally they will be the God satisfies all the conditions put by these asuras. Finally they will be dying actually. So what is the use of getting all those superpowers from the God is useless because of their simple ego. So therefore, whatever the money you have, whatever the knowledge you have, whatever the things you have, that is of no use once you have an ego, because this ego spoils everything within you, and finally you will not attain the mukti. There is a distance between you and God will keep on increasing because the impurities keep on increasing. So the distance becomes the God and the human being are also keep on increasing. The second one is called as Karma is having a three type of karma. One is Sanjita karma, next Prapta karma, and the third one is the Agami karma. These three karmas are playing a major role in our life. I have another video for this karma theory so that it can be explained in detail. Now let us discuss the third impurities, that is nothing but Maya or illusion. Illusion is one which we are thinking that it is actually real, but once we go near to that, and it is exactly the opposite of what we are thinking. If I ask you a simple question, what makes you happy? Somebody can say food makes you happy, and money makes you happy, and friends may make you happy, and so many reasons you can tell me. For example, let us take food. So when you're eating, you feel so happy. But how long you can be happy? As long as you are eating the food. But when you keep on eating the food, at a particular stage, you will feel that you are not happy because of the food itself. Because the taste keep on when you are eating the tasty food at one particular stage, maybe after few years, you may start hating the same food, which was very, very interest to you before few years. So therefore, happiness in the food is an example for Maya, illusion. Similarly, this prestigious post positions in their life. Some people are in a higher position, like some officers, because they are thinking that they are the officers and so many people are working under them, and they have both ego as well as the illusions. Because due to some reasons they have got that position because of their knowledge. Yes, it is accepted. They have some good knowledge and they have done something good in their past. Therefore, they have got this particular position. All those things are correct. Just because they are in the particular position, for example, like a collector, chief minister, ministers, all not only that, every office you can see some people are there, some higher officials are there. So under them, there are some people who are working for the department, not for the particular person actually. So once they understand that they are all working for the department, they are all working, they are not working for me, then they don't have any ego and illusion. But when they are thinking that all are working for me, which means that whatever I can say, I can tell them they should obey my order. When they have this kind of mindset, then their ego will keep on increase. And illusion in this sense is nothing but that they're thinking that because of their position, because of their knowledge, they are respecting. No.